The front trunk actuator is two parts. The latch actuator is located under the front trim piece, red arrow. Just lift the trim piece up and out of the way to access it. We have removed the front bumper for photographic purposes only. You do not need to remove the bumper to perform this work. There is a cable that runs through a grommet in the sheet metal, red arrow, to the actuator in the frunk. Begin by removing the front trunk carpet trim piece. It is held in place by plastic turn screws, red arrow, and a single Phillips head screw in the emergency release handle, blue arrow. Remove the carpet trim piece, disconnecting the emergency release wiring connection, and you will see the actuator in the left-hand corner, red arrow. Whether you are replacing the actuator and cable or the latch release, you will need to remove the two 10mm screws from the trunk side, red arrows. With the screws removed, you can remove the backing piece that gives you access to the cable release. Release the cable end from the latch release and then pry the cable end out from the mount, red arrow. If replacing the latch release, turn the emergency release cable 90 degrees clockwise in its holder, red arrow. Then lift the cable out from the plastic holder. Lift the latch out from the body and pass the cable through the mount in the latch mechanism, red arrow. Transfer this cable to the new latch release. To replace the actuator, release the electrical connection by squeezing in on the two clips, red arrows, and separating the connection. Push the grommet into the trunk area and pass the actuator through. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.